Hi, y'all. Hey, Thanksgiving just left, and Christmas is coming on real strong. So, what do you reckon we're doing day after Thanksgiving? We're making Christmas cookies. That's what. Today, I got my wife here, my beautiful bride. She's going to show us how to make some new kind of cookies. Well, they're new to us. We just found them online. We made one batch just to make sure they're okay, and they're all gone now. So, we're going to make another batch. Two in one day. They're called what?
Candy cane blossoms.
Candy cane blossoms. So hang on, I'm gonna hook you up to watch her, and she's gonna show you and explain to you how they're made. You're gonna love them. Hey, when we get all done, not now, not before, when we get all done, go down and like and subscribe, and give us a little boost there on the algorithm. Okay? Hey, love you. Here she comes.
Hi, happy Thanksgiving the day after, and maybe Merry Christmas. That's where we're moving to. We're gonna make the first cookies of the season. We made them just today, but we have never made them before. They use Hershey's Candy Cane Kisses, and these cookies, if you like peppermint, you're gonna love them. So let's get started. The first thing we do is we take a cup of butter and put in the mixer. To that butter, you add a cup of sugar. You also add a half a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg. And you beat it till it's well blended and smooth. Now I take 2 cups of flour, put in a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda and a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. And then kind of whisk them together and get it mixed in there. The reason for this is that way it's mixed in before it goes in, and it'll mix in with the liquid really well. We're just about done with the mixing. Now you add the flour a little at a time. I open my mixer back up because otherwise the flour all falls on top. So I put a little bit of flour in. Then I have 2 tablespoons of milk here, and I put about a tablespoon in. And mix it. And you want to start it slow so you don't have flour flying all over everywhere. Now I add the other flour in, but before I do, I scrape down the sides of the pan. Make sure it all gets in there and incorporates. Let me tell you, these cookies are worth it. So then I take the rest of the flour mixture and dump it in here. And the rest of the milk. And that's it. That's all it takes for these cookies. So we finished mixing them up. I'm going to go to the next step.
How long do you mix them?
You just mix it till it's mixed up well and smooth. And you're going to want to scrape the sides of the pan down or the bowl down a few times. And I get it up to about medium speed after the flour is settled in a little. Scrape the bowl down one more time. Amazing how much flour sticks on the side of the bowl. And it's done. Let me show you what the dough looks like. Clean off the beater. I use my dough hook because that works great to mix up any kind of dough, bread dough or whatever. And this is what it looks like. Now we get the table set up and we will show you the fun part of these cookies. Okay, I got my oven now preheating to 350, and there's a couple other preps to do. Like, first, one thing you have to do is take the wrappers off the candy. And don't eat the candy.
The wrapper's the best part.
This is the best part. See, they are really good. The other thing I have to do is I've got these bowls, and I realized I got sugar in here. I've got to put some more in them. These are the best. They're round, and when you go to roll the dough in them, they just roll really easy. I've got 4 different colors here today. We're Christmassy, so I have a few pralines. They're about gone, but I got gold, sugar. Oh. I have red. I wasn't real smart. I put red sugar in a red bowl. We can't hardly see it. These kind of containers don't work. The balls of dough don't roll around well. But this shape works really great. I also have green sugar. We're all about Christmas right now. Now I don't put a whole lot in because you really don't want to reuse the sugar after you've rolled the dough through it and everything. But then I take a pinch of dough, and you want to make a ball about 1 inch in diameter. Put it in the sugar, roll it around and get it coated. And just put it on parchment paper on your cookie sheet. And get another one. You don't have to use parchment paper, but I need new cookie sheets, and so they're kind of nasty and ugly on the bottom, so we use parchment paper. Here's the pralines. There's not going to be many of them, but there's some. You can make them any size you want to, but this makes a nice size cookie for any age. These cookies are soft, but they have a nice little crunch on them. It's not the sugar, it's just crunch. The dough cooks really nice and brown and makes a nice little crunch to it.
Now, if you're done talking, if you have anything more to say, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, this part I'll either cut up or fast forward.
So now they got an idea. There's 4 different colors we're using this time. So you just keep going till your dough's all gone. You get about 35 cookies out of 1 batch of dough, and have your candies ready for after, excuse me, after they've cooked. So that's where we're at now, and you probably don't want to watch me roll all these cookies, so we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, the first pan is ready to go in the oven. The oven's all preheated, so we'll get this one in the oven and get the second pan in here to get filled. All right, the first pan's out of the oven, and now it's time to kiss the cookies. This is what the candy cane cookie kiss looks like, and you just take it, place it right in the center of the cookie, and push it down. And you want to get it down a little bit because it'll melt, because the cookies are hot right now. It won't melt the kiss after the cookie cools down, but it will kind of adhere to the cookie. And you just do that with every one of the cookies. Now tell me those aren't Christmas looking cookies. And we just kissed them. Enjoy your cookies and Merry Christmas.
And these are mine.
Get back here, I haven't got kisses on all of them. They're not yours. Thanks for watching. Look for more of our Christmas stuff. We're going to make Christmas cutout cookies. We're going to make homemade noodles and chocolate fudge. And join us for the rest of the Christmas parties.
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe to us. Thank you very much. Have a Merry, Merry Christmas.
God bless you.
God bless you.